This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Pho Cau V. Begin by roasting beef bones and toasting spices to build a clear, flavorful broth. Simmer gently for several hours while skimming impurities to keep the broth bright. Prepare rice noodles al dente and ready your herbs, lime, and condiments. Finish bowls with thinly sliced beef and fresh garnishes so every spoonful tastes balanced and comforting. For the broth, use a gentle, patient approach that rewards you with depth and clarity. Char aromatics and toast spices to unlock oils and fragrance, then add them to a cold pot with bones and cold water. Bring to a boil briefly, then reduce to a low simmer and skim impurities often. Maintain a low simmer for several hours and avoid rapid boiling to keep the broth clear and richly flavored. Noodles and toppings make Pho Cau V sing, so prep them with care and timing. Cook rice noodles just until tender and rinse if needed to prevent sticking. Slice beef thinly and arrange it in the bowl so hot broth cooks it to tender perfection. Lay out herbs, sprouts, lime wedges, and chilies for guests to tailor each bowl to taste and texture, creating a lively, personalized eating experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.